new technology is kind of amazing, particularly when it looks like it's defying the laws of physics. And when that new tech can fully automate dreaded chores we hate or never bother with, like washing the windows, it's even more amazing. But what if you could also use this robot to clean your glass shower enclosure too? This isn't your average window washing robot. It can operate anywhere, indoors or out, even without power, and it cleans up after itself. Yep, that means no more precarious climbing, no spilly buckets, and no streaky views. Also in this video, you'll find out why I spritzed soy sauce all over the washing pad and what happened afterwards. And I'll wrap things up with a definitive before, and you'll see what this window ends up looking like after. In this review, I'll take you through what this robot's designed to do and the 5 major problems it solves for you. I'll talk about how it works, as well as its uniquely evolved features, like exactly how it's able to clean itself. I'll wrap things up with both the pros and the cons of this window washing robot so you can decide if it might be right for your home. I would like to say thank you to ecovacs for becoming an ongoing sponsor of my channel. While the company has supplied the robot to me, it hasn't told me what I have to say or can't say about this robot, and I got to test it out as I wanted, so you can consider these thoughts on my own. Let's unbox this robot so you can see both what you get and learn a bit about how it operates. Inside the package are 2 kind of separate pieces. The first one, wrapped in styrofoam, is your robot, and underneath the foam is a plastic plate which holds one of your cleaning cloths, and make sure you grab that. ecovacs includes a bottle of window washing fluid to get you started, and then the WINBOT W3 OMNI robot itself comes out of the wrap next. The robot is quite a bit more elegant looking than you might expect, with a beautiful white and silver design with a quilted leather look handle. There's also a second cleaning pad already installed on the robot. The WINBOT W3 OMNI is attached via a long cable to the next piece, which lifts out of the box. This is your main base station, and we'll get into it in a bit more detail in just a couple minutes. Lastly is an extra battery pack. Let's take a look at the station and what it can do, because there's a few upgrades over the W2 model that are actually pretty impressive. I want to start with the big innovation here, and that's that this robot is designed to clean itself by washing its mopping pad autonomously. Tap the button to open the front door and you'll see what's going on inside. There are 4 Y-shaped brushes inside designed to both scrub and squeegee the mopping pads. The pad clicks onto the door, and when you shut it, the brushes will thoroughly wash it with both water and soap, and I'll demo that in a minute. On top of the base station is a small control panel that allows you to open that cleaning compartment, retract the cable, choose cleaning modes, and even move or recall the robot if you need to. In this base, you'll also have 2 small water tanks, one for fresh water and another for dirty. The base station is connected to the robot with a braided cable that supplies the power and the smarts. When you're not using the robot, you can flip down the small hook on the back side of the station and hang the robot in place. You can use the cable retract button to coil up the excess into the case. Also on the back side here is a small hidden compartment at the bottom. Inside you'll find a security cable with carabiner, an AC power cord if you want to operate the robot using a wall plug, and behind this door is also where you can plug in your additional battery. For clarity, I do want to point out the robot does have an onboard battery already. This additional battery is just designed to give you some more longevity so you can clean for longer. The additional battery here can extend the runtime by about an extra hour, including both the window cleaning and the automatic pad washing process. The battery needs to be connected in the station to add the extra power, and it charges together with the station when the station's plugged in. It can't be charged separately on its own. The expansion battery level is displayed as 10 bars on the station screen. Now, it might be important to point out that while the charging station does have a durable and large carrying handle, it is quite heavy, weighing about 26 pounds, and it can be a bit awkward to carry when the robot is hung on its back. To get things set up, the first thing you'll want to do is download the ecovacs Home app, and this is going to serve as your control center for the robot and also act as a remote control. You can use the robot without the app, but you do get a lot more options and control with it. Adding it is easy. Just swipe through the app and look for the prompt to scan to connect a new robot. You'll scan the QR code on the device, and then the app should automatically go through the process to add your new robot, so follow the prompts to connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. Now let's ready the robot to clean your window. Power the station on, and helpfully anytime you power it up, it's going to give you an estimated battery life. Next, add some of the special ecovacs WINBOT cleaning solution to the robot's onboard tank. You'll see a small silicone flap on top of the robot. Just open it up. ecovacs recommends you only use the special WINBOT fluid or plain tap water in here to avoid potentially damaging the robot or, more importantly, affecting its ability to adhere to the window. That solution is going to get spritzed on the window to help improve your overall clean. Fill the clean water tank. The water in here is used to wash the mopping pads, and the dirty water gets siphoned into its separate tank. Now you're ready to prep the pad for cleaning. Remove the wiping pad from the WINBOT by pinching the clips on both sides of the wiping pad and then lift it off the robot. You can click the door open button and place the wiping pad into the compartment with the padded side facing inward, and it does only clip in one direction. Close the door and choose the standard wash cycle so the pad gets cleaned and pre-moistened. The cleaning cycle takes only about 1 minute to complete. You'll replace the pad onto your bot by pressing down on all 4 installation clips until they click. Now you are ready to clean. Place the station close to the window that you're going to clean and then lift the robot up towards the glass. Making sure the station's power is still turned on, press the robot against the glass and then press and hold the robot's start button on top for 2 seconds to activate the suction. You'll hear the robot confirm and then see it start to wiggle. Then it's going to orient itself and start cleaning your windows in nice straight lines. While my WINBOT's at work here on my windows, I want to talk about the reason this robot even exists. ecovacs designed it to solve what I think are the 5 biggest problems of window washing. For starters, that manually washing your windows can be incredibly time consuming. Of course, you can always hire someone else to do the job, but that's expensive. With the WINBOT W3 OMNI, the cleaning is automated. Once it attaches to your window, just sit back and let the robot do the work. It can wash your window in a single quick pass or go over the area more than once for a more thorough clean. And you can use it inside the home or outdoors too. You can easily keep tabs on it using the ecovacs Home app. Depending on the size of your window and the cleaning program you choose, cleaning may take anywhere from just a couple of minutes to 10 minutes or more. I started out by using it on 2 large windows at the front of my house, made up of 2 large separate windows and 2 smaller side windows each, if that makes sense. That totaled for me just over 20 minutes of cleaning time. Now you might be saying to yourself, I could use some paper towels and some spray cleaner and have this done in a minute or 2, and you might be right about that. In my opinion, this isn't necessarily just about faster, it's about better, smarter, and safer. Anytime I used to clean the windows on our house myself, it was a half-day job involving buckets, hoses, and ladders. Now I can sit back and do other things while WINBOT takes care of the work for me. That's one of the other reasons I found I really appreciate this device. I don't need to deal with the mess of rags, soapy water, buckets, rinsing, splashing, and squeegeeing. The WINBOT W3 OMNI is truly an all-in-one device, and rather than having to rinse out mops and rags, I can just quickly unclip one of the cleaning plates, swap it for a fresh one, and let the robot clean the pad for the next job. The dynamic scrubbing brushes inside that washing station did a really good job at getting window grime off the pads and then leaving them with the optimal moisture level for the next window. I could even adjust the washing cycle from standard to heavy duty depending on how dirty the windows are. Plus, the station will even run a self-cleaning cycle. And in case you're wondering how much cleaning the station is actually doing when it comes to those pads, I squirted some sauce onto the pad and then inserted it into the vortex washer. You've seen the before. Now take a look at the after. You can definitely see the machine does a really thorough job. The reason everyone hates window cleaning so much is it's incredibly laborious. There's lots of repeated movement, scrubbing. If you're using buckets of water, there's lots of splashing. Sometimes there's climbing. It's just not an easy job. With WINBOT W3 OMNI, just attach the robot to your window, wait for it to suction on, then step back and let your autonomous robot do the job. It'll come back down to its starting position when it's done so you can easily retrieve it. And speaking of laborious, another nasty chore in most households is trying to clean your glass shower enclosure. Why not use the WINBOT W3 here to do it instead? It operates just the same as on a traditional window, and thanks to its built-in sensors and edge detection, it doesn't even need a window frame or edges to stay safely in place. Watch as it cleans both the inside and the outside of my shower enclosure and shower door easily. Another problem this robot solves? Anyone who's ever tried to clean windows thoroughly knows it can be a finicky job and difficult to do well. Traditional spray cleaners can leave cloudy streaks, and not being able to use a squeegee properly will leave your windows with ugly lines. The WINBOT W3 OMNI makes everything easy. It not only cleans in straight lines, but it overlaps each one to remove any edge streaks. And you can see it here spritzing its proprietary cleanser onto the window, which is designed to clean well and give you a clear view. Plus, there are multiple different cleaning modes inside the ecovacs Home app. You can choose whether you want a fast clean, a thorough clean, which goes over the window twice, or to just touch up the edges of the windows. It also has settings for cleaning dedicated zones or spot cleaning, and you can even manually operate the robot around the window yourself to direct it to a particular area. All I needed to do was pour out the dirty water tank at the end of the job. I do want to share a tip I picked up that makes the job look even better. Whenever you remove WINBOT from the window, it can sometimes leave an imprint of the cleaning pad, but if you keep a soft microfiber cloth handy and give the window a quick wipe where you remove it, that takes away all traces of residue so you won't have any marks left on your clean windows. The last important problem the ecovacs WINBOT W3 OMNI solves is the danger element of window cleaning. Anybody who's ever tried to haul buckets of water and brushes and rags up a ladder while balancing precariously knows this is not a job for the faint of heart. What I really appreciate about this robot is that even on the tallest and most out-of-reach windows on my home, all I needed was a small stepladder to suction the robot onto the bottom of the window, and then I can step off and let it do the cleaning and the climbing. Speaking of safety, we should touch on a few points here. The robot's not designed to operate in extreme temperatures or high humidity conditions. It's also not meant for extremely small panes of glass or irregular shapes of windows or really anything with curves. In particular, if you're going to operate the robot on a balcony or somewhere it could potentially fall from a great height, you want to ensure the station's carabiner is securely attached to something stable and immovable, like a heavy table leg, a handrail, or some other permanently affixed object. In case you're wondering what happens when the robot is finished if you don't collect it, it is designed to stay suctioned in place for up to 30 minutes after cleaning has finished, but after that, you're on your own. Let's sum things up like this. I'm going to give you a quick before and after here. Check out this streaky mess of this window before the robot started cleaning. Now check out the after. You can see that it's so much cleaner and I have a much clearer view, all without any kind of manual labor from me. Overall, while a robot like this may seem at first glance like a bit of a luxury, you can actually see it's got several applications and 5 really great reasons to use it. Let's go over both the pros and the cons of this robot so you can see if it might be right for you. On the pro side, this is a nice all-in-one device that takes into account storage, self-cleaning, and smarts. The robot is incredibly effective at cleaning windows, and it can be used inside or out, and it can clean many different sizes of windows. It's got a mountain of battery power thanks to both the onboard battery and the extra battery, plus there's the option of using AC power from a wall plug. The self-cleaning of the window pads makes it extremely versatile, and it means you don't need to throw them in the washing machine. It can save you a lot of time and effort and possibly expense, since for the price of this robot, you won't ever need to pay for professional cleaning services again. ecovacs has also factored in the safety too. When it comes to the cons, probably the biggest concern for some folks might be the weight. While it is possible to lighten your load a bit by emptying the water tanks, the 26-pound weight here might be a consideration for some. It is also designed mainly for square windows, so if you have unusual shapes at your home, you'll want to check with ecovacs before you buy. In short, I've really been enjoying my time with the ecovacs WINBOT W3 OMNI here, and I think it's a big upgrade over previous generations, and for that reason, I can absolutely recommend it for you. It sells for about $6.99 US, and don't forget to check the description box for coupon codes and special offers just for my audience. You can get yours from either ecovacs or from Amazon, and this is not the first ecovacs robot I've been extremely impressed by. Take a look at one of its flagship floor cleaning robots, or see how you can do away with almost all of your summer chores too, like cutting the lawn, right now.